Oh, we just love fabrics. I've got some beautiful fabrics for you. They're brand new in. I've gotten some fabrics that are just kind of good transition. And these are what I consider they're really good transition there. This is a knit. It's a cotton poly, mostly cotton. It could be used as ribbing actually if you were doing this bomber jacket, or you could do a whole thing. It's very pretty. It has stretch in both directions. You know, it's like a pontoroma. It's kind of the feel of like a pontoroma. It's very pretty. And then look at this. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful sheer. This is a cotton poly also. I love the colors. So the whole pinks and greens and blues and blending. So I put all them in because this matches so well with everything. This is 100% cotton. It's great solid. Just a really pretty solid. This one is a like a little watercolor. It is 100% cotton. It's a woven. Very pretty again. Great blouse, great lightweight little jean jacket. Love this. This is just everywhere. Now, we had this fabric and I saw that they had a little bit extra and I got the rest of it. And the reason I did is because this is a stretch woven. This is, I'm sorry, this is a knit. This is a stretch woven. This is what they're doing a lot of those little jackets out of, like that new reversible jacket. This would be great for that. All of these are only $14.99 today and tomorrow. So they're just really well priced. That jacket is just perfect. This little stretch woven jacket is just really nice out of this. You could do a blouse to match. This I think would be such a pretty jean jacket. I did a sheer jacket out of 1953. If you have that pattern, it's just beautiful. It's lightweight and you can just wear it with jeans. Just really works out well. So this is a poly cotton and just very, very, very pretty. All right, so the goal is with these beautiful fabrics, $14.99 today and tomorrow. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.